भी कैरेक्टर इसके अंदर वर्क भी करेगा वो ओरिजिनल स्टंट्स करेगा, दैट मैच बेटर, वो परफॉर्मेंस बाहर निकल के आएगी।
जी।
मोस्टली क्या होता है कि कुछ चीज़ों को लेके ड्यूप यूज़ किए जाते हैं, स्टंट्स डबल कुछ ऐसा होता है।
राइट।
लेकिन एज ए न्यू मेकर्स हमारे लिए ये चैलेंज था।
Stunts, हाँ, of course, that was his call that stunts will do, will not use any body double. So I think that was new to me, new for me, because मैंने कभी stunts किए नहीं है in
राइट।
general, और किए भी हैं तो बहुत बहुत कम level पे किया, and there was always body double. Of course we had stunt masters
राइट।
and choreographers, but then it changes the whole thing when you're doing it on your own, and you know that okay, ठीक है, you're trying. So of course there's this fear, there's this nervousness, you're trying to do it.
Any such scenes that that left you just numb for some
There's
time?
one scene which I really can't talk about. I had goosebumps while doing it because it was so intense, and I'm trying to do something, figure out something, and that scene was pretty intense, I think, because I was trying to manage a lot at once. Hi, this is Isha Singh,
Yeah, hi, this is Peter Wilson.
and you're watching us on Midday.
Obsession का एक नया definition is going to just be out there with these two new amazing people right here. Here we are welcoming Isha and Peter. Welcome to Midday, both of you all. Firstly, what went behind picking something like this? I mean, in the middle of so many genres right now, especially when it's all about violence, here we have something more thrilled, more towards the psycho thriller part. So tell me about it.
दिस मूवी इसका जो क्लास है थोड़ा सा, दिस इज डिफरेंट, नॉट लाइक रेगुलर सिनेमा, इट्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग, और आई थिंक दिस इज अ फर्स्ट टाइम एवर एक्सपेरिमेंटल कंटेंट, जो कि ऑडियंस विजुअलाइजेशन विजुअल्स देखेंगे, देन एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे बैठ करके। सो मतलब कि डिफरेंट जॉनर है, जो एक लाइक इट्स अ थ्रिलर, इट्स अ डार्क सिनेमा, राइट।
So we've seen you in such girl next door roles earlier, and now this is something very different from what I think your fans wouldn't even imagine for that matter. The max they could imagine was you as Nagin, and now this. So tell me about it. I mean, what goes behind preparing such a role, which is so dark, especially, and so strongly built?
I think the moment you are on set, you need to feel that character. You need to feel everything that character is doing. For example, what Sarah was doing, why she was running, why she was fighting. You need to be absolute honest with your own self first. And I think we used to sit and discuss a lot. कि अच्छा ठीक है, we can do this. There were always trials and errors and 50 zillion more things. But I think I had a good time shooting for Obsess. It was beautiful. And when we have such nice, hardworking people, it always, everything falls into right place.
So, for such a role, I think the preparation begins much earlier in comparison to the shoot actually begins. I mean, the prep behind creating the character, creating what kind of stunts would, you know, be added to the role. So, tell me about it. I mean, did y'all take any of those scenes or any of those stunts that happened back with you?
जब ये मूवी का प्लान कर रहे थे तो उसके सबसे एक जो पर्सपेक्टिव था कास्टिंग को भी लेके, एंड उसके जो हमने प्लान्स बनाए थे कि जो भी कैरेक्टर इसके अंदर वर्क भी करेगा वो ओरिजिनल स्टंट्स करेगा, दैट मैच बेटर, वो परफॉर्मेंस बाहर निकल के आएगी।
जी।
वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। मोस्टली क्या होता है कि कुछ चीज़ों को लेके ड्यूप यूज़ किए जाते हैं, स्टंट्स डबल कुछ ऐसा होता है।
राइट।
लेकिन एज ए न्यू मेकर्स हमारे लिए ये चैलेंज था कि उस तरीके को किस तरीके से लिया जाए, एंड ईशा जी का जो कास्टिंग हुआ था, सो इनको स्टोरी सुनाया गया, एंड इन्होंने जैसे स्टोरी सुना इनको अच्छा लगा, बट वेरी चैलेंजिंग, एंड मोस्टली all stunts, both of characters and Peter and Sarah, so originally इन्होंने खुद किया। सब बाथटब वाला सीक्वेंस जो ट्रेलर में भी आपने देखा है,
राइट।
शी परफॉर्म्ड वेरी वेल, एंड ये खुद अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे आपको।
I mean, your face is saying a lot of things, but I'd like to hear.
No, yeah, I just had such a good time. And as I said, कि stunts, of course, that was his call that stunts will not use any body double. So I think that was new to me, new for me, because मैंने कभी stunts किए नहीं है in
Right.
general, और किए भी हैं तो बहुत बहुत कम level पे किया, and there was always body double. Of course, we had stunt
Right.
masters and choreographers to design it well and for the safety measures. But then it changes the whole thing when you're doing it on your own, and you know that okay, ठीक है, you're trying. So of course there's this fear, there's this nervousness, you're trying to do it, but at last I think the results gonna be amazing. मैंने movie नहीं देखी अभी तक. I'm gonna watch it tomorrow because tomorrow is the screening.
Right.
And let's see. I am just मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा chunk dub में देखा है, but I think I had good time. It is something very different for me. मुझे बड़ा अलग लगा करते time. It was a different experience, and I'm sure that people will love it and they will experience what I experienced during the shoot.
So you rightly mentioned, जैसे हम ट्रेलर भी देखते हैं, there are some moments where you, as a viewer, also feel that fear,
Yeah.
and you are living that fear. So
Yeah.
tell me about it. I mean, any such scenes that that left you just numb for some
There's
time?
one scene which I really can't talk about because it will give away the plot of the movie. But then you watch it, I promise to discuss it with you. But I had goosebumps while doing it because it was so intense, and I'm trying to do something, figure out something for somebody, and that scene was pretty intense. I think because I was trying to manage a lot at once, and I think I felt it because Peter is also there. Some things are happening. The situation is so messed up that you will just feel stuck with her, and you would want her to go out of that room and that space. I think that.
So as we talk about cinema right now, it's again directioning towards a lot of violent content as well, as we see the previous lineups in Bollywood as well. Where do you think will you place your film in the middle of so many genres or a pool of genre that is right now?
It's very hard, एक तो competition बहुत है.
Right.
Different categories की movie, different but big makers, South industry, Bollywood, even then Hollywood, so lots of competition. But इस territory में आके आपके लिए बहुत hard हो जाता है. First of all, मेरा किसी के साथ कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, ना मेरा कोई कॉम्पिटिटर है. मैं तो एक सेल्फ मेड बन के एक पिक्चर बना दिया है. दिस इज अ चैलेंजिंग एंड वन मोर थिंग, दिस टाइप ऑफ सिनेमा इज जस्ट लाइक अ थ्रिलर एंड ये मतलब कि दिस जस्ट लाइक मतलब कि ट्रीटमेंट वाइज सबको अच्छा लगने वाला है और हर किसी की लाइफ में ये चीज़ें हुई है, ये मालूम है, लोग एंजॉय करेंगे.
So you've been a part of roles which have always been on the positive side, majorly. And you've experimented not only television, but yes, previously web series as well as films. How much of a different treatment did this film give you in terms of your performance, in terms of how the setup has been around you, in terms of how the lighting played, or how the whole environment that was created for this and for your role?
So of course I have done shows which had romantic stories,
Right.
which also had serious stories, but nothing which was dark, nothing which had thrill in it. And I think this has everything. The lighting was majorly a little dark. There was so much intensity. There was so much of everything going on that I felt emotionally, mentally, physically exhausted by the end of the shoot because इतना कुछ हो रहा है उसमें. And especially writing wise, I'll say is because मैंने जितना भी किया है, they always had some bright element. Also, if you see, she has some gray shades to her. When you will watch the film, you will know that she's not all white. She has that gray and black shades. She's a human and she has these things. I have not played something like that. It's so intense. So yeah, that.
So as we say, as we see, the title is Obsessed. What is that one thing you all have been very obsessed with, especially in your personal lives?
पर्सनल लाइफ बिकॉज एक अच्छा सिनेमा, एक अच्छा वर्क, और अभी पर्सनल लाइफ मेरा जो चैलेंज है मेरा खुद से ही लगा रहता है. मैं खुद से ही ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ.
Oh, wow. What about you?
Everybody I love, people who are close to me, I'm kind of obsessed with them. Other than that, if you ask me professionally, it's always work. It will always be work. I'm obsessed with it and I want to be obsessed with it for life.
So, as we see, there is a darker trait to both your characters.
Yeah.
One trait in your personality you think is very dark or toxic, or has a very different shade to, to your personality. Normally people might not see it, but it still exists.
We all have good, bad, ugly personalities and shades towards हमारे अंदर. We also have grays and whites, uh, and also maybe blacks, and that's okay. But आपके अंदर है कि आप उस मॉन्स्टर को, उस डेविल को कितना बचा के रखते हो. आई थिंक आई रियली ट्राई हार्ड नॉट टू लेट दैट साइड कम आउट. And then if you will push me to that limit, to the cliff, I might show it to
So
you.
what would it be? Temper, mood swing, what would it
I
be?
think I become very cold. If I like you too much. If you are out of my life, out of my brain, I become extremely cold.
Wow.
Very cold, which is very dangerous also. मतलब मुझे लगता ही नहीं है कि मेरे अंदर इतने कोल्ड इमोशंस हो सकते हैं कि उस इंसान को कुछ भी हो रहा होगा, I'll not give a damn. So I think I become really cold, which is very dangerous, which I don't like, but yeah.
What about you? Any trait that you think personifies the dark side of yours?
कि मुझे लगता नहीं कुछ है डार्क साइड समथिंग, आप अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते हो, सो मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है कि इसका यही आंसर है कि क्या बोलूँ मैं अभी. Yeah.
So with this film, what would be that one thing that you want the viewers to understand or change their perception towards cinema or viewing cinema?
इस मूवी को देखने के बाद नज़रिया चेंज होगा ऑडियंस का. और मतलब कि आई डोंट नो कि मैं सही हूँ या गलत हूँ, बट रिजल्ट जो ऑडियंस देती है वो दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव्स के साथ नहीं दिया सकता. मुझे कई बार बहुत बार ये क्वेश्चन भी आए, आपने इस टाइप का सिनेमा बनाया है, क्या रिलेट होगा, बहुत सारे. तो मेरा एक ही चीज़ होती है कि मैंने माइनॉरिटी के लिए सिनेमा नहीं बनाया है, मैंने मेजॉरिटी के लिए बनाया है. तो मेजॉरिटी ने अगर लाइक कर दिया तो
What's your take? I mean, seeing the growth that I have seen from the first show till now, it's been a journey, I must say. 10 different roles, 10 different shades,
10 different years.
and 10 different challenges.
Yeah.
So, this is the 11th.
Yeah, this is actually my 11th year and my second movie. I'm just so grateful because I am trying to tap on every genre, and it's working in my favor. You know, I try to experiment. I don't want to do something कि अच्छा ये सिर्फ romantic ही करती है, या सिर्फ serious ही करती है, या यही करती है.
Right.
I want to do everything irrespective of क्या platform है. Otherwise, a lot of people I know, they want to play safe. I've never played safe. I've done some crazy things in my life because I don't want to be 80 and I want to look back and say कि यार वो try कर लेना चाहिए. I don't want to be that. I might have made mistakes, I might have failed, and that's completely fine. At least I tried, and that is what is important at the end. कि आपने कोशिश करी. आना पसंद आना नहीं पसंद आना वो तो फिर बाकियों के हाथ में हो जाता है, कलाकार के उसमें अगर आप देखो तो. लेकिन मैं सब कुछ करना चाहती हूँ और मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है अलग-अलग चीज़ें करने में, और मैं यही करती रहना चाहती हूँ.
That's amazing. So, what would you like to tell your fans now?
Yeah, hi, this is a line of Joda Peter Wilson. आ रहा हूँ कुछ नया लेकर के 29 मई को नज़दीकी सिनेमाघरों में आप सबका इंतज़ार रहेगा. आप इंजॉय करें और मूवी रिलीज़ होने वाली है, सब लोग प्यार दें.
It's a beautiful film, guys. We have really worked hard. I mean it with all my heart and soul. And I really want you guys to go in theaters and watch it, not wait कि अरे किसी OTT पे आएगी.
Right.
It's high time कि हम लोग वापस सिनेमा जाने लग जाएं. I think हम जा रहे हैं अब. So our movie deserves all the love. Please give it all the love. Shower us with lots and lots of love and blessings. I'll be waiting for your review.